This morning in the Market Pros, we are learning more about how COVID-19 is affecting those mortgage rates and beyond. Here now to inform us virtually is our good friend Zachary Levesque, Director and Branch Manager for North Point Bank. Good morning, Zach.
Good morning. How are you?
Great. First of all, I love what you've done with the living room.
It's a makeshift studio. We had to execute it at the level that Roadshow approved. So
well, it's really great to see you, and I love the fact that we can catch up with some of our friends here and maintain that contact, even if it is virtually, because it really is important that we continue to check in with you guys. And let's talk about here right off the bat how this pandemic is really affecting mortgage rates from your perspective, of course.
Yeah, that's really the question that's on everybody's mind. And 3 to 4 weeks ago, when this pandemic took more of a negative turn, we saw rates spike up, spike down over a 3 or 4 day period. And there was so much uncertainty in the interest rate market. About 2 weeks ago, the Federal Reserve made a very aggressive move to start buying mortgage-backed securities, which stabilized the rate environment and lowered rates. So we're back into a extended lower rate environment, which is good for home buyers and home sellers.
And this really is, if you think about it, affecting the entire process, step by step, so to speak. I mean, you guys have had to change your operation, I would presume, and it's just the effects are wide-ranging.
Yeah, so there's been some effects on our branch level and on the appraisal level and on the closing attorney level, all integral parts of the closing. So on our operations level, we're all working remotely, as you see. So we're able to operate effectively remotely. Most of our documents can be e-signed, and we don't have to physically meet with clients. On the appraisal side, when somebody buys a house, you have to get an appraisal. When somebody sells a house, you have to let the appraiser in. Guidelines have been changed to allow appraisers to do exterior-only appraisals. So the good news is an appraiser can do 100% of their job, present the value of the property to a lender like us, and they do not have to have any physical contact with the homeowner, which is great. Absolutely, and we can continue to press forward. Let's talk about the long-term financial forecast, and from your perspective, what that really looks like. That's a very loaded question, Brendan. And if you ask 100 economists their prediction on what's going to happen, it would probably be split 50-50. I'm from the school of positivity, so I like to look at the glass half full for sure. I think that in the last couple of days, we've seen a very strong move in the stock market. The government is literally doing everything that they can to stabilize and support the economy, which has kept interest rates down, and it put us into more of an extended low rate environment. The whole question economically, financially, and how that relates to the mortgage industry and rates is how long will this pandemic last, and when will America really get back to work? That's the million-dollar question here. And certainly these questions are not easily answerable, but the fact that people have them and the fact that we can kind of talk through them together, I think means a lot to individuals out there watching. And lastly, any final thoughts, things you'd like to mention before we sign off? Putting me on the spot. Well, to everybody out there listening, be positive, be strong, follow the guidelines of the federal government. It's not fun to stay in your house every day, although it's nice to get out of bed and walk down and turn your computer on. In some ways, it's more efficient, but we are a strong country. We're the strongest country. We'll get through this. Be positive, and pretty soon, hopefully in a couple months, we'll all be out to a nice outside dinner on Federal Hill or maybe down by the water in Newport. That sounds pretty darn good. Well, Zach, on behalf of everyone here at the show, best to you and your entire North Point team, sir. The same to you and your team as well. All right, be well, buddy. For more of these Market Pros segments, or to review the one that we just did right here, check it out. We have all the segments posted at roadshow.com.